What if a 1954 pickup could outperform modern trucks, turn every head on the street, and cost nearly $130,000? This stunning Ford F100 Restomod does exactly that. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel, because today we're looking at a machine that perfectly blends classic American heritage with modern performance, luxury, and craftsmanship. This is not just any vintage truck. This is a beautifully restored 1954 Ford F100 Pickup Restomod, a truck that has undergone a complete frame-off restoration with absolutely no expense spared. With an asking price of $129,900, this incredible build proves that some classics only get better with time. The moment you lay eyes on this truck, you immediately understand why it commands attention wherever it goes. Finished in a stunning bright red exterior color, this F100 looks like it rolled straight out of a custom truck dream. The paint shines with a deep mirror-like finish that highlights every curve, contour, and design detail of this iconic Ford pickup. The classic body lines remain faithful to the original 1954 design, preserving the timeless character that made the F100 one of America's most beloved trucks. As the sunlight reflects across the bodywork, your eyes are drawn toward the gorgeous chrome front and rear bumpers. Every chrome component gleams brilliantly, creating a perfect contrast against the vibrant red paint. Then there are the custom Foose wheels, a modern touch that instantly elevates the truck's appearance. These wheels not only improve the stance, but also give the F100 an aggressive yet sophisticated look that perfectly complements its Restomod personality. Walking toward the rear of the truck, you'll discover one of its most beautiful features, the stunning wood-lined bed. The rich wood finish adds warmth, elegance, and craftsmanship that perfectly captures the spirit of classic American pickups. It's the kind of detail that turns a great build into an unforgettable one. But as impressive as the exterior may be, the real magic begins under the hood. Lift the hood and you'll find a powerful 351 cubic inch Ford V8 engine. This isn't just a vintage power plant. It's been upgraded with modern electronic fuel injection, giving it the reliability, drivability, and efficiency expected from a contemporary performance vehicle. The combination of classic V8 muscle and modern fuel delivery technology creates a driving experience that is both thrilling and dependable. The engine bay itself is beautifully detailed, showcasing the attention and care invested throughout the restoration. Supporting the power plant is an aluminum radiator and electric cooling fan, ensuring optimal operating temperatures even during hot summer cruises. Every component appears thoughtfully selected to create a truck that performs as well as it looks. Power is transferred through a smooth AOD 4-speed automatic transmission, providing effortless acceleration and comfortable highway cruising. Whether you're navigating city streets or stretching its legs on the open road, this transmission offers the perfect balance between performance and comfort. Out back, a Dana 44 Posi rear end with a 307. 1-gear ratio helps put the power to the pavement. This setup provides excellent traction while allowing relaxed highway driving, making the truck surprisingly practical for long-distance journeys. Of course, modern performance isn't just about horsepower, it's about confidence behind the wheel. That's why this F100 has been equipped with 4-wheel power disc brakes. These upgraded brakes provide stopping power far beyond what was available in 1954, giving drivers the confidence to enjoy every mile. Equally impressive is the truck's steering and suspension system. Rack and pinion power steering transforms the driving experience, offering precise control and effortless maneuverability. Combined with the independent front suspension, the truck delivers a ride quality that would have been unimaginable when it first left the factory over 7 decades ago. Underneath, the upgrades continue. The custom boxed frame adds strength and rigidity while supporting the modern suspension components. A new exhaust system completes the package, producing a deep, satisfying V8 soundtrack that perfectly matches the truck's muscular personality. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where classic charm meets modern luxury. Opening the door reveals a cabin that has been completely restored and upgraded from top to bottom. Front and center sits a beautiful custom two-tone bench seat that immediately captures your attention. The craftsmanship is exceptional, creating a comfortable and stylish environment that respects the truck's heritage while embracing modern comfort. The black carpeting provides a clean, refined appearance, while custom door panels add another layer of sophistication. The body color matched dashboard maintains the classic character of the original truck, creating a seamless connection between the exterior and interior design. Behind the custom steering wheel, upgraded gauges provide clear and accurate information while adding a modern touch to the vintage cabin. A tilt steering column enhances comfort and adjustability, ensuring drivers of all sizes can find the perfect driving position. Entertainment hasn't been forgotten either. A new stereo system delivers modern audio capability, allowing occupants to enjoy their favorite music while cruising down the highway. Above, a custom headliner completes the cabin, demonstrating the meticulous attention to detail found throughout the build. And perhaps one of the most appreciated upgrades is air conditioning. While the truck may look like it belongs in the 1950s, occupants can enjoy modern climate comfort no matter the weather outside. What makes this 1954 Ford F100 truly special is how seamlessly every upgrade works together. It retains all the visual charm and nostalgia of a classic pickup while offering the comfort, reliability, handling, and performance expected from a modern vehicle. This isn't simply a restored truck. It's a carefully engineered masterpiece. It's a vehicle that can dominate a local car show on Saturday, cruise comfortably on Sunday, and turn heads every single day in between. With its stunning bright red finish, powerful fuel-injected 351 V8, upgraded suspension, luxurious interior, and exceptional craftsmanship throughout, this F100 represents the very best of the Restomod world, priced at $129,900 and available through Vanguard Motor Sales. This remarkable pickup is far more than transportation. It's rolling artwork, it's automotive history reimagined. And for the lucky individual who parks this dream machine in their driveway, it's an opportunity to own one of the most desirable custom trucks on the road today. Thanks for watching. If you love classic trucks, Restomods, and incredible automotive craftsmanship, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing vehicles just like this one. We'll see you in the next video.